Joe with Gramophone here at CanJam 2024. We're here at the Sennheiser booth, and we're here with Lachlan, the product training manager for Sennheiser, and he's going to be kind enough to take us through some of their better quality goods. So, Lachlan, you want to start on the left? Is that what we're
Absolutely. We're going to start here over on the left. So the first thing we have is the amplifier, which is the HDV820. Really nice. It gives you the 1/4-inch connection, the XLR4, and 2 Pentagon connections for balanced. So you really can get the most out of any of these headphones that you want. Then we have here the HD660S2. This is a great general listening headphone. It's really nice, it's relaxed, it really is what you'd sit down in the armchair and just really rock out to your music. So then we move up to...
Is this one, I'm sorry, open back?
Oh, this one is open back, and you can see the really nice grill. So it lets you hear everything, really lets that sound expand. To now go to the next level, continuing with the open back, would be the HD800S. This one has an exceptional soundstage, and it's really about digging into all of the details, all of the nuance of the music. This one really opens it up and really lets you go that one step further.
Lucky 800S has been a good seller for us especially.
Yep, so yeah, it is a beautiful model. It really is that sort of that Ferrari or that Rolls Royce experience. And then you also have the HD820. Now this is a closed model. So most important thing here is it's not which is better, the HD800S or the HD820. They are different headphones. They give you a different listening experience. It's a really good thing when you get a chance to listen to them side by side and then just make that decision. Which one do you like best? So,
and of course, which one, you know, on an airplane you wouldn't necessarily want the open back model.
Exactly. Yeah. So.
How much privacy do you need for other people in the family, that kind of thing?
Exactly, and so it is a different listening experience. Still very spacious. That is one of the big things that went into the 10 years of engineering of the HD820. All of that engineering, so you didn't have that closed-in feeling. It still has that really big, open, expansive feeling.
Great.
Now, you mentioned being on a plane. Carrying one of these models on a plane, you could do it. You would need an amplifier, a smaller amplifier that's self-powered. More likely on a plane, though, you're going to move to an in-ear monitor. So I'll bring these over here.
And you guys are really focusing on that nowadays.
We are.
More so than in the past, I'd say.
We are. We're definitely giving it a little bit more range. So this is the IE600. And then we have the IE900. So
both beautiful products.
Both beautiful products. What's really nice is this one, the IE600, is actually, the housing is 3D printed.
Oh, wow.
Out of really high metal alloys, same sort of things that are used in aerospace engineering, things like that. So it is a really cool housing on it, very durable, resistant to rust, resistant to corrosion, really great model. And then the IE900, which is...
So this is the step up, correct?
This is a step up. So this is the top of the line. Yep. The IE900 is actually machined from a single piece of aluminum.
Oh my gosh.
So each one of these housings starts out as a single block of aluminum that is then machined down. Both of these give an exceptional sound experience. The IE600, like the HD660S2, is more of a general listening model. It is more about just relaxing, enjoying all of your music. The IE900, like the HD800S or the HD820, is more about giving you all of that really intimate detail, really getting into it. If you're a classical music fan, definitely the IE900. If you want more of a general purpose one, then the IE600.
And it's the additional detail that, I mean, for example, I listen to a lot of progressive rock type stuff. So again, that's where I think the details of the music, I'd be better off with the 900, I would say.
Probably. And again, audio is subjective. So try them both, find out which one you like best. The other big thing is all of the models we've talked about have multiple connections. Big one is they do offer the balanced connection. Here we're showing the 4.4 millimeter Pentagon. We offer a 2.2 millimeter, but also your standard 3.5 millimeter. And you can do that for any of the headphones. And that way you can really connect to any device that you want really make it your own setup, exactly the way you want it to sound.
Right. And with each of these, I would imagine you'd recommend a good headphone amp because that can take the performance to another level too.
Absolutely. So you get, like here you see we're using an iPad straight into our amplifier. That's good everyday one, but yes, if you want to go to that next level, put it into an amplifier, use high-res files. Every step that you get better in the audio makes that sound that much better, that much clearer. So.
That's right. And anything else in the Sennheiser range, Lachie, that you want to kind of emphasize or talk about?
So for the high-end ones, these are the pinnacles. The other models we have here, we've got our 600 and our 650. These are really classics. They've been around for 20, 25 years. They've really set the bar, but we've set them up today for the show so somebody can really try them side by side, 600, 650, 660S, and really hear the subtle differences, which is a really nice thing to be able to do.
You know, Lachie, I always love talking about the premium models, but the truth is that a lot of folks, a premium model might not necessarily be in their budget range.
Yep.
So to have a tried and true product from Sennheiser that you know is a good performer and isn't in the level of investment that you have in the premium products is actually a great thing.
So that's actually a really good point. So pulling off this one's actually the HD 560S.
Okay.
So this is our entry-level audiophile model. Okay. People might recognize the chassis of it. It follows the HD 500 series, like our 598 and our 599, which have been around for a while.
Yeah.
Really comfortable. This one is an extremely neutral headphone, very flat response. This is actually one of my favorites. I use this as my daily driver on my work desk because I can just listen. I listen to a lot of podcasts with a lot of dialogue in them. So this one, because it's so neutral, I can listen for hours without getting fatigued. So it's really nice. But feel free, put it on.
Yeah, you know, I think comfort sometimes is underrated. If a great sounding headphone is not comfortable, you're not going to want to use it day in and day out, or like you say, kind of your daily sipper, to use a bourbon analogy. So, yeah, I mean, I can already feel this is a very comfortable headphone and easy to listen to. I can see why you use it kind of day in, day out.
Absolutely.
Unless you're going to do more serious listening.
So this would be the one that you use like sitting at the computer all day long, and then this is the one the HD 660S2 is the one you'd move up to when you're ready to sit down in the armchair, listen to some vinyl. Yeah. That would be the way to go, like make that step up.
Yep. Lachie, I love it. Thank you so much for spending some time with us today.
Absolutely.
For more information about Sennheiser and all of our wonderful products, check out Gramophone.com and shop Sky by Gramophone if you want to pick up your own Sennheiser product, because you'll always get a secure checkout with fast and free shipping straight to your door. Thank you for watching this CanJam 2024 video, and thank you, Lachie.
Absolutely, thank you.